Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use app tracking transparency setting. App tracking transparency gives you control over which apps can track your activity across all the apps and websites. Firstly, you need to open to your settings and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this privacy and security and select there. And under this privacy and security here, you can find there's an option for the tracking. You need to click onto this tracking there. And here you can turn off allow apps in the top right by simply toggle it off to prevent the apps from asking for tracking permissions in the future. Or you can also review the list of the apps here and you can simply toggle it off manually as well. When tracking is disabled, apps are limited in their ability to collect data about your activity across other companies. And that is it. That's how you can use the app tracking transparency setting on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.